Generative AI is reshaping the regulation of electric power transmission. AI is often associated with self-driving cars or chatbots, but its impact goes much deeper. In an industry as critical as electricity, AI is already changing the way we predict demand, prevent failures, and ensure compliance. But before we jump in, let's take a step back. What exactly is generative AI, and what makes it different from the AI we already use every day? What is generative AI? Most AI we interact with analyzes existing data to make recommendations, like product suggestions or fraud detection alerts. But generative AI goes a step further. It doesn't just analyze, it creates. It can generate new content, solve complex problems, and even predict future scenarios based on patterns in data. Think of it like an AI artist. Instead of just recognizing patterns, it's creating something entirely new. A practical example? AI-powered writing tools that generate marketing copy, reports, or even entire legal documents. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how does that translate to something as technical as power transmission? Great question. Let's break it down. AI is already optimizing how our power grid functions in some pretty mind-blowing ways. Demand forecasting and optimization. AI predicts energy needs based on weather patterns, historical trends, and even local events. It can adjust power distribution in real time to prevent blackouts. Dynamic line rating. AI adjusts power flow on transmission lines based on temperature, wind, and real-time conditions, making the grid smarter and more efficient. Predictive maintenance. AI detects early signs of equipment failure so companies can fix problems before they cause outages, saving time, money, and preventing disruptions. And as we transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, AI is becoming essential. It can predict fluctuations in power generation and adjust the grid accordingly, making renewables more reliable and easier to integrate. So, we've established that AI is making the power grid smarter. But what about regulation? Generative AI and power grid regulation. The energy industry is one of the most heavily regulated sectors, and for good reason. Safety, reliability, affordability. All of these must be carefully balanced. This is where AI is becoming a game changer. Regulatory monitoring. AI can scan thousands of legal documents and regulatory updates in real time, alerting companies when new rules affect them. No more sifting through endless PDFs or waiting for legal teams to catch up. Compliance reporting. AI can automate compliance reports, pulling data from different systems and ensuring reports are accurate and up to date. Incident management. If a compliance issue arises, AI can detect, log, and recommend corrective actions, helping companies resolve problems before they escalate. Data privacy and security. As power companies handle more data, AI helps manage compliance with privacy laws like GDPR, ensuring everything is done by the book while building trust with consumers. I hope this gave you some new insights into how generative AI can transform your work. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.